You guys ever had shawarma?
There's a shawarma joint about 2 blocks from here. I don't know what it is, but I want to try it.
Dude, we're the Smash Bros. We can absolutely make shawarma worth smashing.
Somebody say shawarma?
What up? It's Hollywood with Smash Bros. Today we're going to make some shawarma. We're going to start with some fresh, super fresh lemon juice. Roughly a tablespoon. Alright, next we're going to add, I've got 2 tablespoons of cilantro and almost a teaspoon of minced garlic. Sorry, minced ginger. Dump that in there. Lots of garlic. Hope you're ready. Not 1, not 2, but 3 tablespoons of garlic. We like the garlic. Alright, we're going to do 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon plus a teaspoon of turmeric, ground turmeric, a pinch of white pepper, just a pinch. A pinch of cinnamon. Little goes a long, long, long way. And 2 tablespoons of ground cumin. Next, I'm going to add also a pinch of thyme. Dried thyme. I'm going to try to crumble it as much as I can. Dried thyme leaves. A tablespoon of chili powder. And a tablespoon of kosher salt. A 1/4 cup olive oil. And mix that up. And you can see it is very thick, more like a paste. That's good. It smells good. Okay, now we're going to take our boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Chicken, each one, and kind of like slap each side in that coating, in that mixture to coat. You want all the flavor on all the chicken.
But Steve, shawarma isn't usually chicken.
You know what? It's not.
What is it normally?
Mutton or goat? I'm not 100% sure. We're making chicken shawarma. We're also not going to roast it on a vertical spit roaster. We're going to grill it. Alright, you got to really get in there because, I mean, obviously a chicken thigh on a chicken is wrapped like that. Cut the bone out, fillet it out, and there's flaps and folds and crevices. You need to get all of that marinade all up in it. Really work it with your hands. Sounds gross, feels gross. If you have gloves, put them on. Anyways, all of our chicken is nicely coated. And we're gonna let that sit for a couple hours. I mean, ideally like overnight. You can marinate it up to 2 days if you want. But we're gonna let it go for 4 hours and we're gonna hit the grill. Okay, next, while we are marinating our chicken, we're going to take 1 cup of Greek yogurt, add about a tablespoon of olive oil, roughly a teaspoon fresh lemon juice without the seed, 1 teaspoon of garlic, teaspoon of cumin, pinch of black pepper, and about a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And we whisk that all together. But we're going to taste it right now. good. Alright, so we're gonna leave that in the fridge while our chicken marinates. And after our chicken's grilled, we'll assemble. Alright, we are outside on this beautiful West Michigan day. 37 degrees out. We're gonna hit our super hot grill with our marinated chicken. That smells good. Okay, I'm gonna close this up, let this cook for a little bit. First thing I'm gonna do is wash these tongs. Raw chicken. We'll be back in about 5 minutes.
Good call.
Again, traditionally this is cooked on a vertical spit roaster. We don't have one of those yet, so that's why we're using the char broil. Propane! Propane!
Dang it, Bobby.
We'll be alright. We'll be good. We'll be good. Alright, it's been about 5 minutes. Temperature's sitting steady at 400. We're going to give these a flip. Clean the tongs, by the way. And give them a flip. Look at that. It's not sticking because we do have that oil in our marinade. You dig? Gonna shut that. Look at the color. That one's a little hot. Move that one away a little bit. It's a little hot. But, good color. Awesome. I'm going to wash these off again, and we'll be back in about 3.5, 4 minutes this time. Alright, 4 minutes later. Ooh, they're looking good. Let's see if they're done. Literally just give it a tear. That big boy. It's done. So, turn off the grill. Pro tip, turn off your propane. Fat boy real quick. Oh yeah, that's done. So, I took my, once again, clean tongs. Check that before I touch it. Put them in a vessel. Okay. We've got our chicken off the grill. Loosely cover these babies. And let those sit 10 minutes. Then we'll mess with them. Okay, so I let our chicken rest for 10, it was actually like 12 minutes, whatever. Chopped it up. We're going to start assembly. We have the pita. We're going to take a good dollop of our sauce. Take some of our delicious chicken. We have some baby greens. Rip those apart a little bit. You can top this with whatever you want. This one's for me. I'm going to do some onion and cilantro and cucumber. You can eat this like a taco. You can roll it if you want. Just do you. That's it.
That's it?
That's it.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Shawarma's easy.
Yeah. On the grill.
Neat.